Hey guys, welcome back to Claydesk. My name is Syed, and today I'm going to dive into a very exciting topic: cloud skills for specific industries. Okay, now when we talk about cloud skills for specific industries, imagine waking up tomorrow and then finding out that the career you thought was secure and is now fully automated. Right? Well, scary, right? Well, but here's the exciting part, okay, to cloud computing. It is not wiping out jobs. In fact, it's creating new career paths and new jobs for you. And not just an ordinary jobs. We're talking high paying jobs, future proof roles, cross industries you might not even expect. So, this isn't just for tech gurus, by the way, it's for everyone willing to adapt and learn. Now, in this live stream, I'm going to talk about and explore several industries that are booming in the cloud, and I'll break down exact skills you need to thrive, whether you're starting from scratch or already a professional looking to level up. So, make sure you watch till the end, stay with me, and I'll introduce you to the best cloud courses on our channel that can get you started immediately. Now, why now? That's the big question. So, if you've been wondering if this is the right time to jump into tech, right? Let me assure you that the answer is yes. And there's never been a better moment. Now, the industry is facing a major skill shortage, right? And companies are desperate to fill cloud related roles altogether. So, artificial intelligence, for example, is expanding at lightning speed. And with AI comes a massive reliance on cloud infrastructure. Plus, most cloud jobs are remote or hybrid, anyways, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere at any time, right? Well, so whether you're looking for stability or higher income or more flexibility, well, this is the window of opportunity you don't want to miss, okay? And for example, let's start with the first industry, which is healthcare. This is going undergoing a digital revolution, right? For example, hospitals, clinics are shifting to cloud-based electronic health records, EHRs, which enables patients' data to be stored, securely while you can access them anytime. But it's not just storage, by the way. AI is playing a major role in diagnostics also, and cloud platforms are the backbone supporting these innovations. So, as a cloud professional in healthcare, for example, your job will be to manage sensitive patients' data and ensure systems complies with strict regulations and build solutions that integrate AI to improve patient outcomes. Now, when it comes to platforms, right? AWS leads the pack in healthcare because of its robust compliance framework such as HIPAA or AWS Health, like, or for example, Amazon Comprehend Medical. It leads the way. So if you're new, start with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner to learn the basic. And there's a full course right here on our channel, right? And then you can later on go into AWS Security Specialty or Driven Diagnostics with AWS SageMaker will definitely set you apart in the healthcare industry. So what about, like, what do you get out of it, right? So let's talk about the next industry, the finance industry, right? Now the data lives in the cloud within the finance realm, right? From fraud detection to blockchain, from high frequency trading, cloud platforms power the backbone of modern finance, right? Now security, of course, is non-negotiable here, as we all know, because as a cloud expert in finance, your job is to secure vast amount of sensitive information and ensure that the infrastructure can handle heavy data loads without actually slowing down. Now, Azure takes the lead in finance sector, largely due to its strong governance tools and seamless integration with existing enterprise ecosystems, right? And that's really important because if you're starting fresh, Azure Fundamentals is a great way to get into the cloud finance area. Now, if you're a seasoned professional, mastering Azure Sentinel or diving deep into multi cloud environments is certainly like Kubernetes or Docker can make you highly sought after. Now, manufacturing industry, right? Well, manufacturing is no longer just assembly lines, right? It's about smart factories powered by the Internet of Things, IoT devices, all that we see. So, cloud platforms, they connect machinery, automate processes, and predict maintenance needs before problems arrive. Okay. This leads to higher efficiency and lower downtime in the manufacturing industry. So, as a cloud professional within manufacturing, You'll work on integrating IoT devices for the most part and managing massive data streams and ensuring smooth automated workflows on your platform. So AWS, of course, is the dominant player in manufacturing as well. So thanks to services like AWS IoT, for example, Greengrass and Lambda for automation, you are good to go. Well, Google Cloud is also catching up with innovative smart factory solutions within the manufacturing area. So for beginners, understanding IoT basics from AWS practitioner level courses is a solid start. And once again, you can find them right here on the YouTube channel, right? So if you're an experienced cloud engineer, you can dive into AWS Certified Solutions Architect and then focus on edge computing and predictive analytics. Now, what about retail and e-commerce? That's a great industry to get into. It has been reshaped by the cloud with online shopping booming and personalized recommendations, by the way, becoming the norm. And every major retailer, by the way, relies on real time analytics. Right? Cloud based inventory management is there, and AI driven product suggestions all here, right? So, your role in this sector can help you build serverless applications that you can scale, like sales events or managing massive databases, or that every click the customer makes. So Google Cloud is king in retail and e-commerce, by the way, thanks to its advanced AI tools and BigQuery for data analytics. Now, AWS is also a top contender in terms of scalability, right? So if you're just stepping into the world of cloud, Google Cloud, digital leader, or AWS practitioner will definitely give you a solid foundation to move your journey forward. So, for those further along, mastering Google Cloud Engineer certification and specialize in AWS Lambda for serverless application will open countless doors for you. Okay. What about media and entertainment industry? Think of how much content you stream daily, right? Netflix, YouTube, live sports, for example. So the media industry depends on content delivery networks, CDNs, scalable video and coding, right, and cloud storage to keep everything running smoothly. So as a cloud professional in this particular field, right, you'll work on ensuring that millions and millions of users can stream at once without interruptions. Now, AWS dominates this space, right? Especially with services like CloudFront or AWS Media Services. Now, if you're starting off in this industry, learning the ropes with AWS Cloud Practitioner is a great first step. And if you're an advanced professional, right, specializing in AWS advanced networking specialty or focusing on video streaming technologies like Elemental can set you apart within this area. Now, let me give you the latest research in and the future of cloud computing, by the way. So it is evolving at an unprecedented rate, driven by AI, machine learning, and edge computing. So the latest research points, by the way, for example, is hybrid multi-cloud environments, allowing businesses to avoid vendor lock-in while maximizing performance. And innovations like serverless computing, by the way, and quantum computing are opening up new doors, making it crucial to stay ahead while continuously learn new skills. Now, how do you actually gain hands on experience? That's the big question, right? So, especially if you're a newbie, where do you go? The best way to break into cloud computing is by getting hands on experience. And there's several options. Platforms like AWS, they have free tier account, Azure, and Google Cloud also all offer free tier and sandbox environments where you can experiment and build projects. And newbie should start by creating simple cloud storage solutions, deploying web apps, or automating tasks using cloud services. Now, if you want to build personal projects, will definitely contribute to open cloud applications, can also significantly boost your resume, by the way. And of course, and the last, I want to highlight the importance of Docker and Kubernetes and Terraform, which is infrastructure as code. So, regardless of the industry you're in, by the way, containerization and infrastructure as code, IAC, they're becoming essential skills for cloud professionals across any of these industries. And Docker allows developers to package applications and containers, right? Ensuring they run smoothly across different environments. So Kubernetes, for example, orchestrates these containers, managing scaling, networking, and deployments. Meanwhile, the Terraform, by the way, let me give you that. Let me give you, it's a game changer in automating cloud infrastructure, right? So enabling you to manage and provision resources using simple code, right? So mastering these tools will give you a major edge in the job market. Okay. And so, for example, whether you're in healthcare, finance, media, cloud computing, it offers endless opportunities to grow your career. Okay. And remember, it's not about starting over, it's about adding cloud skills to what you already know. Okay. And that's important. So, the tech industry is evolving fast, and we know that, right? And the best way to stay ahead is by jumping in now as we speak. So the whole idea is the reason why I explain this cloud skills by specific industries is no matter which industry you're working on, right? Because if you're, let's say, in the healthcare industry, okay, and that means that you're going to be learning skills specific to the healthcare industry. If you're in fintech or finance, that's the skills that you need to grow into that specific area. Because as we speak, the skills and tools are numerous, right? So there are many, many tools out there, but you can't possibly learn all of them. But what you can do is once you have targeted or are working in a specific industry, then just hone in on those specific skills. And that's really what is going to set you apart because you're going to become an expert into maybe 3 or 4 specific tools that relate to that industry. Like I mentioned earlier on in my example, let's say you're in fintech, right? Or you're healthcare, or you're in the media industry. You need to have those specific skills, right? How to be able to actually run, for example, understand the business side of things also, so you can communicate better with stakeholders. So these skills specific to the industry are important, as opposed to if you are going all over the place and you're learning this skill, that skill, you're learning IoT and you're learning, for example, Kubernetes and Docker, and you're learning streaming. So that's a diverse skills, but you'll get there once you get and gain experience as you progress through your journey. But importantly, if you're starting off, then I would recommend that you stick to one specific industry, pick an industry, or maybe you're already working in healthcare and you want to transition into tech. Well, just pick those skills and get those certifications under your belt that relates to that particular industry. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. Let me know where you are in the learning journey. I'd be happy to answer. And of course, thanks for watching. I wanted to make sure that I'm getting a lot of questions from my audience here or my students here, and they're asking. So I figured I'd create this live stream where I'm going to highlight and explain cloud-specific industries, skills that you need for each industry. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And my name is Syed. As the enterprise architect, my goal is to educate and make sure that you get all these specific skills based on whichever industry you're in. So with that, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.